And General Musharaf, did Usama Bin Laden, who of course was killed by the US Navy SEALs in May in Abbottabad in Pakistan, did he go to Pakistan after you left office?
Well, I can't be sure. I wasn't tracking him certainly, but he was there in Abbottabad. As far as I'm concerned, whenever anyone asked me where he is, I always said I don't know. He could be anywhere.
You used to say he's not in Pakistan. He's probably more likely on the Pakistan-Afghan border inside Afghanistan.
When somebody insisted that he's in Pakistan, then I used to say, what is the information? Where did you get this information from? He could be anywhere. He could be in Afghanistan or even outside Afghanistan. So that was what I used to say.
Were you surprised when he was found in Abbottabad?
Yes, indeed, absolutely. I was shocked that he was in Abbottabad.
I mean, living quite openly in a city just a few miles from an
No, not very openly. Not very openly.
Well,
he was locked up in a room.
It was a big house, wasn't it, in an urban area. It wasn't a remote farm.
Sorry?
He wasn't living in a remote farm. It was quite a big townhouse he was living in, quite conspicuous.
The best place, the safest place is in a thickly populated place. This is a town. All tourists into the mountains of Pakistan go through Abbottabad, a population of 600,000 people. And there are civilian and military people all mixed and stay together.
But President, at least you better recognize that he was benefiting, Bin Laden, of some complicity. This is impossible to believe that he was isolated, close to the barracks and close to the army and etc. So I understand your answer, but honestly...
I think I certainly would like to react to this. After all, slippages or poor performance by the intelligence are possible. If we reflect back to 9/11, how is it that 18 people were being trained for months and CIA was asleep, the most powerful organization? How was it that 4 aircrafts, 4 airliners are being hijacked from 4 different airfields and a CIA doesn't know? How is it that through 3 of them going to the World Trade Center and the Pentagon, CIA is asleep? So let us allow ISI to have been sleeping once at least.
I'm going to go back to the floor. Let's go.